and welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I am great. I've been busy, and today I am bringing you a video that was requested. I made these lovely bouquet of roses and flowers, and you guys wanted to know how I did that, so I wanted to shoot this video and to show you how I did it. So without further ado, let's see what I did. Okay, so we're using the quilling paper. Every tool that I used is going to be in the description box below with all the links to the place where I purchased them, so you can easily just click on it and buy it for yourselves if you want to follow along. If you already have paper and supplies, the ones that you normally use is fine. So let's get right down to it. What I did is I cut a specific amount of length of paper that will allow me to create this center of the rose. So we're going to start out from the center and we're going to expand outward. So what I do is I just use, I don't use a quilling needle, I just use a sculptor needle or an awl. So a tight coil in the center and then a very loose coil will give this rose center a little bit more depth, and you need some spacing in between to get the light in to reflect, so that it reflects the blue of the rose in the middle. I think it looks really nice as a centerpiece like that, so that there's more space in between. If you want to keep it a little bit tighter, you can go right ahead, like whatever your choice is, go right for it. I'm just showing you what I did. It's just one way, so you can do it however you want to do it. I don't think there was enough glue on that one, yeah. And then you just place it. This might be a card, this might be an invitation, this might be something that you're doing for yourself. So it's very versatile and it's very fun to make, and it is surprisingly quick. You will see this video is only like 7 minutes long or something like that. But yeah, it was surprisingly fun. I mean, the end result is really fantastic, and I liked it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And please don't forget to share your creations with me. I would love to see what you come up with different colors, different styles, different thickness of paper, different width of paper. Yeah, I'm curious, and please do comment on the video what you would like to see next as well. That would be lovely. So if you got any requests, I'm taking requests. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to learn of the stuff that I do, and I will be sure to make a video of that. Yeah, that end bit was a little bit weird, so I had to cut it off. But this is where I'm using a different colored paper to add some different kind of shade of blue to the rose. You don't have to, but I just wanted to, I mean, you can keep going with the same paper, which is totally fine. I just wanted to add a little bit of a different color, a little darker one, a little bit more vibrant, to add some depth to it. Basically it's kind of like shading, but yeah. So at first I usually try to see what looks best where, according to me. So this is going to be totally up to you, how you see it, how you want your rose to be. And once you like it, you just dip it into glue, and then you just pop it right in, and that's basically what I'm doing. And I'm just repeating the process. There's nothing special about it. I'm just continuing to treat this as each paper as a petal, rose petal. So I'm just keep adding more and more at the place that I like, basically what looks good to me. And that's all I do. That's how this rose came about, and the end result was really I loved it. I really did. Yeah, just keep adding more and more until you're happy with it. You can make this rose as big as you want. There are no limitations. There are no right or wrong. You can do this however you want to do it. I'm just showing you the way I did it. If you find like a better way to do it, go for it. You do you. You don't have to do it exactly as I'm doing it. But yeah, like I said, I would love to see what you come up with, your creations. Yeah, share with me using the hashtag JJBLN on Instagram. I think that's where I am mostly. On Facebook too, so you can find me there as well. But yeah, so that is pretty much it, and you can use different color combos to create different styles, different variations, whatever works for your design. And that is pretty much it. I think I added like one more cut. Yep, I did to the inside of one of the petals, and then that was it for this little rose, like this little tutorial. This is it. That's how I did it. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and create something of your own with your own colors, and don't forget to share it with me. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!